The cool things Chris is going to show us is what a sleeve looks like outside of the block.
And we have our own
L&M,
our own proprietary sleeve.
A lot of emotions right now. You know, it's kind of hard to like sometimes talk even because we've been through such a journey together. Come on, Hulk. Get angry.
Get angry. Hulk smash. Let's go.
Yeah, you got it.
Ooh, that looks expensive. A hole right there at the motor mount.
You guys don't realize I use comedy because I'm dying inside. But it's my $100,000 Mustang here.
#1 mystery prize winner gets that, right?
Yeah. Personal piece of the whole.
Oh. So what do you think the failure is? I mean, other than the obvious, like if you had to call something, what would be the key moment of something that Wyatt found? How much is that going to cost?
What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well, good spirits. Well, we are headed back to L&M Engines because what? The Hulk's block has been sleeved. The Hulk's block is ready. I'm so excited. We're getting so much closer to the Hulk's resurrection. But first, let's go to L&M Engines. We'll check it out. They'll talk to us about what they did, the process, what it can handle, what goes into it, all that good stuff. And guys, what's behind me? That's right, our giveaway Raptor. It all ends in 3 days on Christmas Eve at midnight. Your chance to win this Raptor. Like we talked about in earlier videos, we're at kind of half capacity because this is a Mustang channel, not that many people entered, so your chances are pretty high at a chance to win this Raptor. But all you got to do is grab some merch, enter to win. We're so excited. This is going to actually go to somebody. Let me tell you how it works. Your chances to enter end on Christmas Eve at midnight. Then we need about a week. We're going to have a third-party sweepstakes company gather up all the entries and send us the name of the winner. We're going to call you live on YouTube on January 1st, 2021. What a way to bring in the new year. We're going to call someone. We'll have a show live on YouTube. We'll call you and we'll say, hey, listen, this is your Raptor and $5,000 cash. Not a bad way to start the new year. But you can only have that experience if you enter to win by going to StangMode.com, grabbing some merch. So anxious, so excited. This is kind of my favorite part as we get to the ending and I get closer to meeting one of you. Of course, we'll fly you out or we'll ship out the truck, whatever works for your schedule, and we'll go from there. But without further ado, let's head over to L&M Engines. Let's check out this all-new sleeve block. All right, guys, we are back at L&M Engines. We're gonna go check out the all-new sleeve block for the GT500. I'm so excited. Hulk's gonna be crazy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have Chris talk to us about what the heck is a sleeve? What does that do for the motor? Why is it so important? The process, what's going on next, all that good stuff. So let's go in there, let's see what's happening. Let's go and check on the Hulk's heart. You can see Chris is there working hard. What's up, sir?
What's going on, guys?
Chris is working hard on a Monday.
Hard on a Monday.
Yeah, I said I gotta come by that. He's like, we're super busy. I was like, I'll see you at 11. So,
203 Cobra motors.
oh, you got, oh, okay, these are Terminators. All right, cool. So you got Terminator stuff going on. So, guys, they also do, obviously, not just late model Mustangs, but you're doing 03, 04 Cobras. Yeah, you know, there's such a love affair with the Terminator that it's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. Everybody loves the Terminator.
What's going on with these guys? He's getting...
They're getting the standard. They're getting ARP hardware. Terminators have H-beam rods in them, so they kept their H-beam rods, and we put some of our diamond pistons in it. A little bit more boost.
Nice.
These guys should be happy.
All right, so we got some Terminator action going here. Always been a fan of the Terminator. I've actually never ever driven one, believe it or not. My friend has one. He blew it up. I don't know, like, that's good company, but a lot of my friends blow up their motors. So no, he blew it up. We'll probably bring it here next. But yeah, some nice Cobra Terminator action. You can't beat the whine though of a Terminator, like.
That's what everybody loved about
Yeah,
it.
that's what really is nice. Jeez. But looking good. So I told everyone that you've already have the block for the Hulk sleeved.
Correct. We already got a sleeve block for you.
Wow. One of the cool things Chris is going to show us is what a sleeve looks like outside of the block.
And we have our own
wow.
L&M, our own proprietary sleeves.
Wow.
This is what your sleeve would look like before going in the engine.
Oh wow, this is like nice to hold. Oh man, this feels really good.
So like I said, we got the flange. Here's your flanged top.
Yeah.
Your larger surface up here makes it for a better seal on the head gasket because you're actually sealing on the iron versus sealing on the aluminum deck itself.
Wow, dude. Now this is also a 2020 GT500 block.
This would also be a 2020 block. This block is not machined for sleeves yet, so you
Got
can
it.
see there's your plasma spray and cylinder.
Oh, all right. So that's what comes from Ford,
Yep.
and then this is what comes from L&M. Bam. Jeez. And obviously, like you said, it has to be all machined out to fit. But that's going to make some crazy power. Very nice. It's cool to hold one of these things. I never have before. That's going to reinforce a lot of what we want to do with. And as you can see here, this is the stock Hulk block. So yeah, these might have been a little helpful. If I would have did some preventative maintenance and said, hey, let's do it before it goes hot sky hell.
Yeah.
You know, it's just kind of like what you want to do is not have, you know, one of these things happen to you. This would have helped. Whew. Feels good. I'm getting more and more excited. I wanted to give people this update about the people didn't know I was going to sleeve it.
Okay.
Well, we were going to sleeve it. So now you guys know.
I believe the block's actually sitting over here in the resurfacer right now.
Oh,
so
wow.
You can see the block with sleeves in it and a nice, clean, shiny deck surface.
All right, let me go check it out. Oh, this is me.
Here it is.
Wow. Dude.
It is ready for a bore and hone, and then we're ready to put it together for you.
All right, so explain to me, like, obviously I see this right here. What's happening right now with the block?
Well, right now the block is sitting in the resurfacing machine. We dropped the sleeves in it. The sleeves sit a couple thou high, so we got to go and resurface it so you got a nice flat deck surface to work with.
Okay. So these are the sleeves right here.
Correct. This would be your sleeve. It's a flange. We put flange sleeves in. So you can see here's the sleeve itself. It's a ductile iron. It's a lot stronger than what the spray plasma bore is.
Gotcha.
So when you're ready to turn up the boost,
they can handle it.
this is what you want to do. You want to sleeve that
So they come stock with like a spray-in liner.
spray-in liner.
All right.
Yes.
So this is actual like drop-in.
This is a drop-in sleeve. Yeah.
I feel kind of stupid asking, but like, doesn't this make the area smaller inside? Like, how does that work?
Well, if you were to buy a block from us that is not bored or finish honed,
Yeah.
it would come small.
Got it.
In your case, we're building an engine for you, so we're going to bore it out, and then we're going to hone it to the size of the piston.
Got
It's
it.
going to be your standard GT500 piston size. We're not going to go anything crazy with it.
So this is a whole new 5.2 GT500 block from you guys. All new. This is not, we're not redoing anything on my own. This is all new, brand new block. And like you said, it's sleeved now.
You're going to be able to handle more power. It's a stronger cylinder. It's ductile iron versus the spray-in plasma. We can run a steel ring with the ductile iron, which is better for boost.
And we're doing rings too, correct?
We'll be doing rings and pistons, yes, sir.
What he means is resurface, like, is this a look, like you said, hundreds of thousands high?
I have this here, these blocks. Here's a brand new 5/8 block. You can feel it here. You got a slight lip on it. Now we'll go and we'll cut that down so you know it's nice and flat.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So it's going to be nice and flat when it's all said and done. Oh my goodness. So all we got to do, like you said, resurface and then hone it.
We'll bore it.
Bore it, okay.
And then we'll put it in the hone and give it the proper crosshatch, proper finish. We check all of our finishes with a profilometer, which that goes and that'll give you the actual layout of what that crosshatch looks like. We can tell how deep the scratches are. We can tell how high the peaks are to get perfect amount of oil consumption, oil use on the cylinder.
This looks good, guys. I'm excited. So here it is. This is the official block for the Hulk. It's coming together, and we're going to come back when you guys have assembly ready, when the pistons are in, and we'll show you guys putting it all together. So this is pretty exciting, but feels good to see it. I mean, I've never in my life had a sleeved motor. I never had a built motor, but to see it sleeved feels pretty good.
It's coming together.
Yeah, you know, it's nice to see it too, because obviously once it's all back in, I'm never going to be, you know,
you'll never see it.
I know, like good to see it.
You'll never get to show it off.
Yeah,
so at least
these are nice memories that, to get, so this looks good. Well, I appreciate Chris. I know he's super busy. Any questions you guys have for L&M Engines, comment below. We'll try to get those answers for you. But anybody can get a 5.2 block from you, sleeve it, or just bring in their own and they can do this.
Bring in your own, give us a call. We'll either sleeve your block or we'll sleeve something that we have
something
here
new,
in stock.
yeah. All right, thank you so much, guys. Dude, this is gonna be so good.